What's up, guys? So I don't see another video on YouTube on how to actually fix the LCD if it goes out on here. So the heater control on here was working. I was able to, switch it and all that. The only thing that wasn't working was the screen. It wasn't lighting up. So actually I take back, there's not another video on YouTube. There's actually one other video that actually shows how to do this, but the comments on it are turned off. Anyway, so you pop this trim off, and then I believe it's 7mm that hold this end place, and then use a torque screw to separate the face off of the back of this. And once you take it off, like right here on this side going like this way, there's little resistors. I'm gonna throw a picture up on the screen. What I did was I pretty much just resoldered those and put it back together, and it worked. I didn't film me actually doing it because I didn't think it was gonna work, so that's why I didn't record it. Kind of wish I would have now, but the picture I throw up on the screen, you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. 10 resistors. It's gonna be 3 on the side and then 7 right here. Just pretty much resolder all those and put it back together, and it'll work. I did this today and it's still working, so hopefully it'll last. And I'll leave a comment if it goes out on me down below. But I figured instead of spending about probably $100 getting a new one, it's a lot cheaper just to resolder them.